How to install TapTap Send Money Transfer app. So this is the app if you want to send money between Africa and Asia, transfer money quickly, transfer money abroad instantly. 90% of our transfers complete in under 5 minutes with great rates straight from your phone. Simple as tap, tap, send, fast and convenient. So yeah, is licensed in UK, Canada, US, and EU for sending money. But I think it's mostly used for specific markets. So you can sign up easily with Apple or Google. Then just enter your first last name. Let's see how it goes next. Then you can just enter your phone number. There is an email support. You can also read through their FAQs. Here you can see the payout country list. So as you can see, they are mostly limited to African and Latin American and some Asian countries. So this is where you can do the payout, send and transfer. So yeah, definitely give a try to this app.